Welcome back, everybody, to day 4. We're moving ahead into the hallway of doom here, and we've got our first corners set here. We undercut the door for sliding through. What we're going to have over here is a transition strip that's going to run on top of that. That should look pretty good. I think I have a little piece of it here. Yeah. And we'll kind of groom the end of that a little bit. That's gonna be a pretty nice finish right there. So we have a spacer we cut in here so we have room to set the bar there. We don't have any more bar, but it's kind of making do with what we have. Check back with you later. So getting ready to undercut the door. You see the guy didn't bring the tile out too far.
I think did that rail fit in here?
Yeah,
okay?
yeah, it fit fine.
Need to chip that away or nothing?
No, I don't think so at this point in time.
Here we go.
It's the hardest board of the whole job.
It's gonna take a minute.
Yep. Stand clear. Let the yelling begin. We got to go deep with that board. So hope there's something left in the door frame. Just kidding, guys. It's only casing on the door frame. I hope. Welcome back, everybody. Well, the beast is in here. We finally got this laid in. This was some very difficult cutting around this door. We're starting to set. I'm laying on the floor here. I think it looks pretty nice. I don't know where our little piece of T-molding is. And it transitioned very nicely there. Boy, that thing was a brute to fit under there. We have this very thin tab, thin piece here. Yeah, don't my hands look a sight? Thin piece, thin piece. And we're getting ready. We'll be putting a rail here. We don't have the rail material now, but I'm pretty much cooked on this job. Is it over yet? Johnny? Johnny?
Yes.
Is it over yet? The pain.
It's just begun.
Just begun.
It's so.
Hey, trim out day tomorrow. Woo! Welcome back. More exciting than driving to Golden Spike. The hallway has been completed with the bathroom of doom, the garage door of doom, and the laundry room door of doom. Let's take a closer look. Oh, by the way, sorry about the April Fool's joke. I do that every year, right? Don't quit YouTube. Lose 50 subscribers. Yeah, go, go, go. Who cares, right? Good riddance to you. It's hard to believe all this has been completed. We've laid our last piece of laminate today. We're going to be changing over and getting the chop saw ready for trim work. Plenty more opportunities for the boss to blow his top. But as promised, let's take a closer look at today's what we accomplished today. Apart from this bathroom door that I described earlier, I didn't really get a chance to do a video on the combination square because we were just rolling and really wanted to make sure we finished. This took numerous cuts to place this board over here. We've maintained our margins for placing the transition bars. I think it really looks nice when you come through the laundry room now. Really, really nice. So we have officially laid the last bit of laminate here. When everything's all done, we'll just have the grand tour when they get everything all together in the furniture. So tomorrow, boxes and boxes of sticks here of 1/4 round. But I think it's really, really nice the way that that's turned out. Look from the upper deck here. You walk down the hallway. Still have to remove all the shims. But, oh yeah, getting tired, getting worn out. Worn out. Got room here for the transition strip to go in there, the T-molding. So, yeah, that was a big job to burrow that in under there. There's multiple cuts, and that board went all the way up underneath of the other door, underneath of the casing for the door there. So, but got to do it. Finished off with the glue in the last piece there. There's no way you can set that. So we trimmed off the tabs and glued that last piece in. Ooh, been a brutal day on the hands. Look from the upper deck. This seems like a million years ago when we did this, huh? All this up here. There it is. Really nice to have such nice flooring. Tonight is going to be pizza. Tonight is Good Friday. Tomorrow, so I'll be kind of fasting and no meat. So I'm going to meet out tonight on Napoli's pizza. I'm going to do a review on that because it's such a fantastic pizza, and I think it's probably one of the top 5 I've had in my life. But I'm going to close out now, and thank you guys for being along. Boss was low-key today, which was kind of a relief, but thanks everybody. Thumbs up are appreciated. Happy?
We still got to put this corner round on. I don't know how many feet of that we got.
All right. So you're not happy.
16?
So you're not.
12.
Wait, 12 is, I don't know, a hell of a lot.
12 times 8, ain't that 96?
Yeah, at least 96 feet of that. All right, there it is.
96 feet of trim to put in.
The boss is kind of happy. All right, thanks everybody. Give a wave, boss. We are.
Bye.